So a is a positive integer. So let's just go in order, not skip around in terms of picking out numbers. If I choose 2, well, a squared is 4, and we want it to be 9. So if I let it be 3, that works, because 3 squared is 9, but 3 plus 1 is 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, so that doesn't work because we want it to end in a 4. So cross that out. 4 squared is 16, so that ends in a 6. We want it to be a 9. 5 squared, 25, that doesn't work. 6 squared ends in a 6. 7 squared ends in a 9, because 7 squared is 49. Okay, but let's look at a plus 1. A plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 squared is 64. That's looking good. What is the units digits of a plus 2? Well, I'm letting a be 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 squared is 81, and the units digit is a 1. Okay?